Did you know that your body contains trillions of bacteria? These microscopic organisms outnumber your own cells. They reside in various parts of your body, with the highest concentration found in your gut. For a long time, scientists viewed bacteria as primarily harmful. However, we now understand that many of these bacteria are beneficial. They play crucial roles in digestion, immunity, and even influence our brains. Yes, you read that right. The bacteria in your gut can actually communicate with your brain, impacting your mood, behavior, and mental well-being. This fascinating field of study is known as microbial mind control. It explores how these tiny tenants can exert a powerful influence on our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Traditionally, we viewed the brain as the sole commander of our bodies. However, the discovery of the gut-brain axis challenges this notion. The gut-brain axis is a complex communication network that allows for constant two-way communication between your gut and your brain. This communication occurs through various mechanisms, including the production of neurotransmitters, signaling through the vagus nerve, and modulation of the immune system. These pathways allow gut bacteria to directly influence brain function and, consequently, our mental state. Imagine a bustling highway with information flowing in both directions. That's the gut-brain axis. It's a complex network involving nerve pathways, hormones, and the immune system. This intricate communication highway ensures that your gut and brain are constantly in touch. One way gut bacteria communicate with the brain is by producing neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that carry signals throughout the nervous system. Surprisingly, many of these neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, are also produced by gut bacteria. These bacteria can influence neurotransmitter levels in the brain, affecting mood, sleep, and even appetite. For example, studies have shown that certain gut bacteria can increase serotonin levels, potentially alleviating symptoms of depression. Another route of communication is the vagus nerve. This long nerve acts as a direct line between the gut and the brain, transmitting signals in both directions. Gut bacteria can stimulate the vagus nerve, sending messages that influence brain activity. For instance, stimulation of the vagus nerve by gut bacteria has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety. This discovery has led to the development of vagus nerve stimulation therapy, a potential treatment for conditions like depression and epilepsy. The immune system also plays a significant role in the gut-brain axis. Gut bacteria are constantly interacting with the immune cells in the gut lining. These interactions can influence the immune response throughout the body, including in the brain. Inflammation, for example, is a key player in many mental health conditions, such as depression and anxiety. Gut bacteria can either promote or reduce inflammation, thereby impacting mental well-being. But bacteria aren't the only microbes influencing our brains. Fungi, another type of microorganism, also reside in our gut and may play a role in brain function and behavior. While research on the gut-fungus-brain axis is still in its early stages, it holds exciting potential for understanding the complex interplay between microbes and the brain. One striking example of fungal manipulation comes from the zombie ant fungus. This parasitic fungus infects ants and takes control of their behavior, directing them to climb plants and attach themselves before they die. The fungus then releases spores from the ant's body, spreading the infection to other ants. While the zombie ant fungus is a dramatic example, it highlights the potential for fungi to influence behavior, albeit in a more subtle and complex way, in humans. Further research is needed to unravel the intricate relationship between gut fungi and human behavior. The emerging field of microbial mind control has revolutionized our understanding of the brain. We now know that our minds are not solely governed by the neurons within our skulls. Instead, our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors are also influenced by the trillions of bacteria and fungi residing in our gut. Studies have linked imbalances in gut bacteria, known as dysbiosis, to a range of mental health conditions, including depression, anxiety, autism spectrum disorder, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. This growing body of evidence suggests that targeting the gut microbiome could hold the key to developing new and innovative treatments for these debilitating conditions. Imagine a future where mental health treatments involve restoring a healthy balance of gut microbes through dietary interventions, probiotics, or even fecal microbiota transplants. While more research is needed to fully understand the complexities of the gut-brain axis, the potential for revolutionizing mental health treatment is immense. By unraveling the secrets of microbial mind control, we may unlock new pathways to improve mental well-being and enhance the lives of millions worldwide.